How you doing, good people? Today we got a special video, a little bit of a two-in-one. We're gonna be setting up two products today. So a little bit of background. I wanted to get something like a continuity camera holder. So I found this, it's from a brand called Rolling Square, and this is called the Edge Pro. So it came with a kit, it has a magnet, this plastic piece, so you don't have to put it directly on your laptop, I'm assuming. This metal ring if you don't have a MagSafe compatible phone or device, and two magnets. So this allowed me to use it as a stand on the side, because the way this works is you put this metal plate like somewhere here or here, wherever. Because I want to use it for both like a side stand and a continuity camera, what I could do is you put it here and it has like a hinge. So like on the side, you could use your phone, and like I could just flip it around this way and then use it as a continuity camera. Basically what that means is I'll use my phone as a webcam for anyone who doesn't know what continuity camera means. So we got to set this up, but then I'm thinking like, I don't want to put this directly on my MacBook. And to take it off, they gave you like this little metal wire that you have to use it to scrape it off. I didn't want to deal with all that. And I also wanted to try something new. Like I wanted a new design. This was getting like dirty frequently. So I ended up getting this from dbrand. And what I got from dbrand is a skin. So we're going to open it up, set it up, and then I'll put the Edge Pro on this, set it up so that like we don't have to worry about it being directly on the MacBook, and we have a nice skin. So let's get in the video. So for the first part, we're going to open this up and set it up. So this is the skin. In terms of packaging, dbrand, you guys did a great job. I feel like I could reuse this, and it didn't bend, so that's good. If only my diploma could come in this type of packaging. By the way, for those of you who are curious, I got the Solstice, and it's for the M4 14-inch MacBook Pro. All right, so they said first, wipe your device free of any dust and fingerprints. I'm just gonna put this over so dust doesn't accumulate. Then they said there could be 4 elements: top, bottom, palm rest, and trackpad. I just have the top. Yo, they really did not make this easy at all. All right, so I'm done. That was hell. I'm not really like I wasn't the most arts and crafty person, but if we look up close here, maybe I'm being nitpicky. I'll zoom in, but there is a little bit of I kind of ripped it when I was pulling it off the paper, but that's just me being nitpicky. I'm just gonna leave it as is. I think it's fine. All right, so now for the Edge Pro. I plan on putting the core here, somewhere around here. The reason being, I could hold it here, and then I could also flip it over like this so that my phone can act as a webcam, which is that continuity camera feature I was talking about. Aside from using it also as a camera, I could just use it like if I want to watch something in landscape on top of the Mac or something. It has many use cases for me that I thought would be convenient and cool, being that I like tech and stuff, so I'm sure people are going to ask about it and whatnot, so thought I'd set it up and have fun with it. Also, by the way, this you could just remove off the magnet, so like this is always going to be here. But this you remove and it could act as its own like standalone kickstand, like so. So like on the side or whatever, like you could play with this however you want, which is also pretty cool. So I'm gonna take this off, put it right there, close to the edge so that it has space to move. Then this goes here like that. So let's open up the Mac. We'll open it up here. So there has a hinge and it goes like all the way there. You put your phone there, and that's the first thing you can do. Then you can take off the stand and set it up like this, have your phone in landscape. And a good use case for that could be using your phone in standby mode with all the widgets and whatnot. Or say you're watching a YouTube video, like for me when I'm editing on whatever platform I'm using, CapCut, Premiere Pro, Final Cut, I'll watch the video here on YouTube and I'll do the demonstration right here, which is very convenient. Then you could also flip it around. See how my camera is there now? See, you click your video, whether you're in Zoom or FaceTime, and it'll prompt you automatically. Sometimes I might just do it. So here you have the cameras that are available, and here you have the microphones that are available. So I'm gonna click Matt's iPhone camera. So now it's using my phone's camera as a webcam. And then from here, you can start playing around with the settings, such as center stage. So now like as I move, it's gonna follow my face. So if I come here, it's gonna move down and zoom in. If I come up, it's gonna do that. So I think that's honestly like one of the coolest things ever. I love the continuity camera. I love center stage. The new MacBook Pros do have a 12 megapixel front camera, which also has the ability to do center stage, but I just prefer using my phone because that's a 48 megapixel camera and it's much clearer. It just seems more professional. And yeah, so that is the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to edit it and put it all together for you guys, and I hope you can give me some good feedback. Peace.